Hey y'all, it is Danielle Jones. It is the February Azure order. We are gonna call this Azure order the Order of Regrets. That's what this one is. The Order of Regrets. You heard it here. And it is not because, I have a little kid down there you can't see, he's hugging me. It is not because of anything that Azure did. Azure is fabulous. If you aren't purchasing from them, you need to. We have a referral link below that gives us a credit when you place your first order, and we appreciate that. So it's not Azure, it is all me, and I'm going to tell you what I did. I could bang my head a few times, and that probably still wouldn't knock any sense into me at all. So as many of you who follow us know, I do a yearly or bi-yearly huge stock up from Azure. It's just easier. I take inventory in my pantry and I just get it all done. This time it is a yearly, and I knew in my head that it was going to be my March order. My March order is going to be my big stock up, so come back for that. But then Azure went and did like this flash sale of things that we actually use and enjoy, and I went and bought like one of them each. Like, why did I do that? And after the fact, I was like, I should have just done the stock up, right? That would have made the most sense, because now, there goes a child. Now, next month, I'm gonna pay more, which, Order of Regrets, people. When it's on sale, get it. And you all know, I've given you this tip before. Fill up your cart, fill it all up, check out. And then just make sure you get back there before the order date finalizes, and you can make whatever changes you need to make. But if something's on sale and you don't check out, you will not get the sale price. So make sure that you do that, okay? Make sure that you check out while the items are on sale. You can still edit it, you can still take it out, you can do all of that. Get those prices locked in. So let's check out my Order of Regrets. Okay, there it is with the palette and the kid with the dirty shirt. Beautiful. Looking good. Looking good, brother. You want to hold things up? Okay, what do we got? What is it? Do you know? What is that, do you think?
I don't know how to read that.
Yeah, you don't know how to read that? That's a tough one. You don't know what we use this for? Hold on, we're going to do one thing at a time.
We use it for dish soap.
You got it! Fist bump! That is our dish soap. Hold on, I have to give them the price. For the gallon of fragrance-free dish soap, we spent $19.36. Okay, what do we got?
Pear soap.
Not pear sauce. Nope. Close. Different fruit. Look at the picture.
Apple sauce.
It's apple cider vinegar. Very close. Very close. That was,
We use it for cows.
we do use that with the cows. Very good. $10.23 for the gallon. What's the next gallon? That's a tough one because it's like frozen right now.
Olive sauce.
Olive sauce. Now you think about what you just said. Olive sauce. It is olive, but not sauce.
It's
olive oil. What do we use olive oil for?
French fries.
We use that on French fries. You're right. And we got that gallon for $35.09, which was one of the regrets because it's now well over $50. All right, you know what that is. What is that?
Pancake batter.
That one is the buckwheat pancake batter. You like that?
Ooh,
That's 10 pounds, and that was on a flash sale for $8.98 or 90 cents a pound. And then, what's this one?
The pancake.
More pancakes. Do you know what the difference is between the two pancakes?
No.
This one is buckwheat. This one's buttermilk. Which one do you like better? That one? Should we do that one tomorrow morning?
Yeah.
And that is, don't open that one, buddy. That's frozen. You can show it in a minute. That one was on sale for $13.57 or $1.36 a pound, which is a great price. And then this was the other thing I should have stocked up on, but I also don't have a lot of freezer space. You know what those are? Yeah, frozen, right? Don't put your hands in there. Oh, makes mommy's life easier, right? I don't have to chop them.
$38.
Becca thinks she knows how much that was.
$38.84.
Yes, and it was 30 pounds. So when we divide that price by 30 pounds, we get
$1.29
per pound, which isn't bad.
Actually, that's very good.
Yeah, because I don't have to do all the work. And then we go to the bottom and we tell them what we spent. So it was $126.07 plus a small shipping charge, but then I get Azure Cash every month. So our total was $130.57. So you taking things in for me?
You don't really have it.
They are. Maybe we should let some of the bigger people take them in. Okay?
Yep.
I think that you're very strong, but let's not. Let's let the bigger people. All right. So there you have it. When something is on sale, buy lots of it, especially if you're getting ready to do a year stock up. I should have bought, you're being funny tonight. I should have bought a year's worth of the products that I will buy next month. Right, Becca? Learn from mom's mistakes. Right, Dan? Right. We're going to eat pancakes tomorrow, aren't we? So what should they do? They should... No, they should like...
Subscribe and comment.
And comment. Very good. See you next time.
Bye.